Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are in the greenhouse filming this video so that it's not as windy while you're hearing it. But today's video is sponsored by, let's see if I can show you guys, GrubTerra soldier fly larvae, black soldier fly larvae. So, today we are going to be testing this out. It's a 1 pound bag that I got, from GrubTerra. It is a treat for your birds, chickens, ducks, stuff like that. Produces stronger eggshells, keeps feathers healthy, farm raised, 75% more calcium than mealworms. So let's see what else. Nutritional facts, 36%. You guys can just read that for yourself. This says grubs are not for human consumption. Those allergic to shellfish may be sensitive. So that's just like so that they don't get in trouble if you eat them. At GrubTerra, every decision we make is focused on healing the earth. We are doing that by converting food waste into delicious chicken feed using black soldier fly larvae. 1 pound of grub equals 20 pounds of food waste saved from landfills. Feeding instructions. We recommend feeding a handful of GrubTerra dried black soldier fly larvae. GrubTerra's dried black soldier fly larvae to your chickens daily. These are a snack that should only consist of a few handfuls a day. A 16-ounce bag feeds up to 5 chickens per month. So that is that. We have at least 30 chickens. So we'll test it on our chickens that are new to eating treats and scraps. We'll test it on our chickens that are older and more experienced in treats. But yeah, so I did already start to open it. Just continue opening it. So this is one. They don't smell. So now we're gonna go test it out. The chickens never eat their feed, so I'm just gonna put a few in there to start with. Oh, they love them. Okay, now I need to put them in a bigger spot. That rooster will attack them, so I'm gonna be very, very cautious. As you know, it's winter, so there's no grass, and the chickens never have grass in the winter pen. So, oh, they love them. Okay, let's put some more over here. Ooh. Let's give some to the mean, grouchy rooster. Whoops, all the hens love them so much they ate them all. So there you have it. GrubTerra black soldier fly larvae is a hit for the hens. The roosters have not. Oh, that rooster just got one. Let's see if the barred rock rooster. Okay, so I think that's enough for this pen. I'm gonna throw a few over there for those chickens. Mainly to that poor little white chicken. But the chickens really love it, so that is really good. I'm trying to get that white one some, but they're really picking on her. There we go. She got some. Ooh. Well, the chickens certainly like them. I'm gonna go try the ducks and the other chickens. See if they. Oh, there's the ducks. Let's see if I can give them some. Oops, they ran away. I'm gonna go test it out. I gave the scrawny chicken some, so she wouldn't have to fight through the battle of chickens to get some fly larvae. Okay, so I'm walking out. Very hard to feed them in here. Ooh, she's like, But they really do like them. I think the chickens like them more. But that's because the chickens are used to eating things that we give them. We don't feed the ducks anything because they're free range. But we do feed the chickens like scraps of food. The ducks scavenge for themselves. Oh, but they're chowing down. Some of them are eating their feathers, all the bugs out of their feathers. But it was a definite hit on the chickens. Let's try the free range chickens. The cat's like, I want a snack. Okay, yep, these ones aren't as tame as the ones in the pen. I'm trying to find some birds in here. some in here for the little chicks. They just got moved out here recently. I'm sure they won't know what to do with it until they try to eat later. Let's try to feed them one more time. But chickens definitely liked it that were tame. I'm sure the untamed ones will eat some while I'm gone. The ones I gave to them. But it was a great snack for these older ones. I bet they can't wait till tomorrow to get some more. Now I'm going to our other chicken pen. These are our second oldest chickens. To see if they will eat them. They have been exposed to snacks for a little bit. Ooh, they love them. There's the blue egg. But these are more of more diverse chickens. Our others are just Rhode Island Red and Barred Rock. But these chickens just love the GrubTerra fly larvae. These are black fly soldier larvae, and they are loving them. I might give one more handful to the older chickens, but that is my review for these. This is so much better than any snack you can buy at your local farm supply store or anything, because they help save waste. So let's just feed these guys one more time. But that is my review, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And I forgot to mention, there's a code in the description box that if you use it, you can get 10% off your GrubTerra order. They have much more products on their page, so go check it out. The code will be in the description box. Please go check their website out. I'll leave a link to their website in the description box as well. Have a great day and Merry Christmas.